Hello viewers, welcome to Kavi's Math Period. Here a problem goes in mensuration of class 10. A solid sphere and a solid hemisphere have equal total surface area. Prove that the ratio of their volume is 3 root 3 is to 4. So what is given here? TSA of sphere and TSA of hemisphere are equal. So first let us try the formula for that. So we know that TSA of sphere. So TSA of sphere equal to 4 pi r squared square units and TSA of hemisphere. So TSA of hemisphere equal to 3 pi r squared square units. So this formula we know and it is given, but both TSA are same. That means TSA of sphere equal to TSA of hemisphere. So this is what given in the problem. Now we have to prove that the ratio of their volumes is 3 root 3 is to 4. So here since both the TSS are equal, so here the radius are different. So let us take radius of sphere equal to R1 and radius of hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere equal to R2. Now according to given condition 4 pi R1 squared equal to 4 pi R1 squared equal to 3 pi R2 squared. So let us find what is R1 in terms of R2. Therefore R1 squared equal to 3 by 4 R2 squared, as here pi and pi gets cancelled. Now we want to find what is R1. Therefore R1 equal to, we have to find root for all these terms, that is root 3 by 4 R2 squared. So therefore R1 equal to root 3 by root 4 is 2 and root of R2 squared is R2. So we have found one radius in terms of other, that is R1 equal to root 3 by 2 R2. Now what we have to find is ratio of their volumes. So before that let us write what is the volume of sphere and hemisphere. So we know that volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. In the same way volume of hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere is given by 2 by 3 pi r cube. And here we have to find ratio of their volumes, that is volume of sphere by volume of hemisphere. So since the radius of both sphere and hemisphere are different and we have taken radius of sphere as R1 and radius of hemisphere as R2, this volume becomes 4 by 3 pi R1 cube by 2 by 3 pi R2 cube. So here pi gets cancelled and we can substitute the value for R1. So which is equal to 4 by 3 R1 is root 3 by 2 R2 the whole cube divided by 2 by 3 R2 cube. Now we have to cancel all the terms. Here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Same way 4 and 2 can be gets cancelled. 2 one time, 2 two time. So which is equal to 2 into here root 3 by 2 the whole cube into R2 cube by R2 cube. So here R2 cube get cancelled. So which is equal to 2 into root 3 the whole cube. That means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So which is 3 root 3 by 2 cube. So that is 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now we can cancel this 2 and 8. Therefore 2 1 time, 2 4 times. So it is 3 root 3 by 4. Therefore ratio of their volumes is given to be 3 root 3 is to 4. So which we have proved.